Hi friends! Today I'm gonna take you on a tour to Ruba Townhouse at Arabian Ranches 3. So Arabian Ranches 3 is a development by Emaar Properties, and this is the master plan of Arabian Ranches 3. First of all, I'm showing you Ruba Townhouse, which is next to Emirates Road. So apart from Ruba, there are 4 different phases launched already: Spring, Joy and Sun. So these 4 phases have already been launched, and this is the master plan along with the Central Park. Arabian Ranches 3 is a well-known brand in itself. Emaar Properties have already proved themselves by consistent quality delivery, timely delivery and maintenance of the community. You can see the metro station which will be connected with Arabian Ranches 3. And by the way, the location of Arabian Ranches 3 is very next to Global Village. So you can see the amenities. I'll explain you these amenities on a map as well. What are things are already there. It's a massive mega project by Emaar Properties. Let me show you how Ruba is placed. I'll show you these townhouses and the floor plans in this video, along with the numbering of the villas. These are the amenities within the community. So there are multiple entry points. Let me show you on the map now. This is the master plan of Arabian Ranches 3. So you can see there are multiple entry points. Mosque is there, community retail center is there, sports center is there. Within Ruba you can see the pool. Apart from that, there are roads marked in the map as well, which is Emirates Road and Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan Street. So apart from this master plan, you can see Sun, Joy, Spring and Ruba has been marked. You can see there is a school as well within the community. So this is the Central Park features. You can see a cricket field, then you have park center, you have jogging track, you have sports court, football field and lot many other amenities of the Central Park. So let me show you the Ruba in more detail. So this is the entry of Ruba Townhouse. Right at the entrance you have the swimming pool, gym and the park. You can see the numbers on the townhouses. So before I explain these, I would like to explain what are the features of Ruba are. So you have the park, you have the boulevard, you have the entry point, the swimming pool, clubhouse, kids pool. These are the amenities of Ruba townhouses. So you can see the townhouses placed. This is the model of Ruba townhouse. Within the townhouse there is a community center as well. So Emaar Properties, they have been developing the communities across Dubai, managing it. So this will prove to be a super successful community. These are the internal roads. You can definitely reach out to me on the given number. Let me show you in little more detail about how the townhouses would look like in the alley when the garden is at back of your townhouse. See the garden right at the back side of your townhouse. So there is a huge space. It gives you a feeling of single row townhouse, and these are all interconnected with the park, swimming pool and all the amenities areas. So this is one of the cool feature, I would say, of Ruba townhouse. So with this, I'll be finishing my tour of Arabian Ranches 3 Ruba townhouse, and this is the floor plan of 4-bedroom and 3-bedroom townhouses. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. If you have any questions regarding the location, regarding the property, regarding the availability, feel free to reach out to me directly on the given number. Thanks for watching this video.